Ciao singer and welcome to my channel. I'm Milano, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, subscribe and train your voice safely with me. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using the famous lip roll. For this exercise we will sing the same notes of a major arpeggio, but with a different order. 1, 5, 3, 8, 5, 3, 1. In my channel you can find many exercises based on a major or minor scale. I suggest you always alternate exercises with a major or minor key so you can train not only your vocal folds but also your ear. Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. Pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise we will use the famous lip roll. For 2 times to stretch our vocal folds in the entire range with a minimal vocal effort. In this exercise we will sing notes from A2 to E4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. Skip them and watch my playlist for beginners. Down below you find the keyboard so you can see in real time what major arpeggio you're singing. For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora sígueme en el próximo ejercicio.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, breathing, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, breathe in.
Perfecto, genial.
Now we can continue our training together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!